Hi kids, here's your math lesson for today. We're going to warm up by counting to 100. That's one of the things we have to be able to do by the end of kindergarten, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh, did I get you? Don't think just because we're not together, I'm not going to be tricky. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Halfway there. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We made it. All right, you can keep practicing that on your own. You don't have to point to the numbers, just count as high as you can. And then try a few days later and see if you can get even higher. But keep practicing that. Another thing I wanted to try was to see if we could count by tens. We're really good at this when we count our calendar. Let's see if we can do it. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Go ahead and try on your own while I turn around the calendar. Could you do it? Awesome! All right, well, one of the things that we've been working on in school was visual stories. And these are stories that kids can listen to and then try and solve as math problems. So, here's my first visual story. You read it one time through and then have the kids close their eyes and listen. So here's my story. All right. Maddock and I were making a snow fort. He made 5 large snow blocks and I made 3 large snow blocks. How many snow blocks do we have all together? So you'll read the story once through to your children. You can use any story will work. And then the first thing you have to do is decide, is it an addition sentence or is it a subtraction sentence? So are the numbers getting bigger or smaller? Once you've decided that, you're ready to try and solve the problem. At school, we acted these out. We had kids acted like bees, more bees joined other bees, frogs, but with just one kid, you can use manipulatives. I have these. Anything will work as a manipulative. So I'm going to read the story again, and they should be in their head trying to work to solve that. If they need to use the manipulatives, that's fine too. All right. Maddock and I made a snow fort. He made 5 large blocks, and I made 3 large blocks. How many do we have all together? And right now, kids, it's an addition sentence. So we're going to do this. Blank plus, there's our sign for addition. Numbers are getting larger. Blank equals, and we got to fill in these blanks. All right. How many did Maddock make? 5. Let's get his 5 up there. Five for Maddock. Here we go. Short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. And then I had 3 snowballs. Snow blocks. And there's my 3. Around the tree, that's the way you make a 3. Now we're ready to solve. All right. 1, 2, 3. What'd you get? I got 8. I'm going to write that down, but I'm definitely going to double check just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you got 8, show me too. Great. All right. Try and read this sentence, this number sentence. This number sentence says 5 plus 3 equals 8. Awesome. You just solved a visual story. Let's do one more. No, I'm recording. You gotta go. Very Such an organized crayon box. So exciting. All right. Here's the other visual story. Maddox and I walked down to the river. We saw 9 ducks at the water. As we approached, 3 flew away. How many ducks were left at the river? First thing, did we get more ducks by the end of the story or less ducks? It sounds like we have less ducks. So here's our sentence, blank minus, all right, we're getting less ducks. Blank equals blank. Let's fill in these blanks. All right. Maddox and I walked down to the river. We saw 9 ducks at the water. When we approached, 3 ducks flew away. How many ducks were left? How many ducks did we start out with? That's right, 9 ducks. There's your first blank filled in. Let's get 9 ducks up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give a little shove. All right, there's our 9 ducks. We had 9. 3 flew away. Flying away. Woo, that one really flew. Flying away, flying away. There are 3 ducks that flew away. How many do we have left? 9 minus 3 equals, let's count them. What'd you get? Me too. I got 6. 6 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who can read that number sentence? Give it a try. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Awesome. Okay, those are visual stories. Parents, you can think of anything. Use anything that they can, relate to. Any stories are great. You can make a sheet that looks like this to slide into that pocket sleeve. So now you have 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences. And again, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to read the story once through so they can hear the story. Maybe have them close their eyes. That's what we do in school. And then ask them, do you have more of an item at the end of the story or at the beginning? And that should help them decide whether it's an addition sentence or a subtraction sentence. And then read the story through again and let them work through the numbers with the manipulatives or in their head, fingers, any way. And then they can try and write the sentences. All right, that's your math. Thanks.